If you've ever struggled with finding the right research papers or spending hours lost in academic search results, this AI tool might completely change the way you work in 2026. Elicit has become one of the most powerful AI research assistants on the internet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Elicit step by step to automate literature reviews, find better papers faster, and turn research questions into clear answers using AI. Elicit is basically an AI-powered research assistant designed for students, researchers, and academics who deal with scientific papers and literature reviews on a regular basis. Instead of manually searching through endless databases and reading dozens of papers one by one, Elicit uses artificial intelligence to automate a big part of the research process. When you first open the website, you'll notice a very clean and simple interface where you can type a full research question instead of just keywords. For example, instead of searching something basic like climate change, you can ask a full question like, what are the effects of climate change on crop yields? And Elicit will instantly scan millions of academic papers to find relevant studies. One of the most useful features is how Elicit automatically organizes research into structured tables. It extracts key information from papers such as methods, sample sizes, results, and conclusions, and displays everything in a way that is much easier to compare than reading PDFs individually. This is especially powerful for literature reviews because it helps you see patterns and differences across multiple studies in just a few minutes. Another major feature is evidence synthesis, where Elicit compares findings from different papers and helps you understand what the overall research is saying instead of reading each paper separately. The platform also helps you discover related studies, generate research directions, and track sources, which makes it feel like a full research workspace rather than just a search engine. In 2026, Elicit has become even more advanced with better AI workflows and improved extraction systems, making it one of the most popular tools in academic research. Now let's talk honestly about what users are saying online, because the feedback is mostly positive but not perfect. Many users love how much time Elicit saves, especially during literature reviews, because it reduces hours of manual reading into quick summaries and organized tables. Researchers also like that it is focused specifically on academic papers, which makes it more reliable for scientific work compared to general AI chat tools. But there are some downsides too. One common complaint is that the free version feels limited, especially for heavy users who need to process many papers. Some users also mention that while Elicit is very powerful, it can still miss important nuance in complex studies, so it should always be used as a helper rather than a replacement for reading full papers. Reddit discussions also show that most researchers treat Elicit as an early-stage research tool to speed up discovery, not as the final source of truth. So, is Elicit worth using in 2026? Honestly, if you are a student, researcher, or anyone working with academic literature, this tool can save you a huge amount of time and make research much easier and more organized. But if you expect it to fully replace reading papers or doing critical analysis, you will be disappointed, because real understanding still requires human review. Overall, Elicit is one of the best AI research assistants available today, especially for automating literature reviews and speeding up the early stages of research. If you want to try it yourself, start with the free version and see how it fits your workflow. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me which AI research tool you want me to review next.